Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing well and having a great and peaceful life. So welcome to my YouTube channel. If you like the video, do subscribe the channel, share with your friends, and let me know your favorite crochet granny square design, because today I have presented you some amazing and beautiful crochet granny squares designs. I hope you will like it, and you can customize it for your beloved ones. You can use and put any cup, anything on it. So these are very household things and handy things and easily knitted handmade crochet designs. I hope you will like the whole video, and do let me know your favorite crochet patterns and the color scheme, because I have presented you some dark colors, some bold colors, some beige colors, some light colors. So there is a combination of two colors, dark and light colors. So I really want to know about your choice. Yeah, that's all. Hope you will enjoy the whole video. Bye bye, have a good day. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.